Hey you, how's it going?
Hey Charlie, good, thank you. You?
I'm doing great. Your job's going really well.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get out at all today?
Yeah, I actually was reading a good book at the park.
A few of my friends are going to the tavern later. I was hoping you would come with me. Eli?
No, sorry, not tonight. I got so much on.
Alright then.
You have fun.
Hey, didn't I see you here the other day?
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know what it is, but I just keep coming back here. Anyway, it's nice to see someone else who loves it too. I'm Aubrey, by the way.
Eli.
Do you work here?
Oh, yeah, it's not what you expect, just dealing with customers all day.
Can't be that bad. I spend most mornings inside, bent over coffee machine, so...
Oh, which one?
Sorry?
Which coffee shop?
Coffee shop. I work at Carrot Top. Do you know it?
Yeah, no, Charlie loves that one.
Wait, Charlie? I know Charlie. Triple shot, oat latte in the pink cup, right?
Yeah, that's her.
Such a small world.
So,
Maybe we could all hang out sometime. I'll probably be here tomorrow. Hopefully I'll see you. Hey, is that Weatherall? I don't know anyone else that reads his
No?
work. Yeah, interesting taste. See you, Eli.
But I don't understand why you can't come with us this one time. It's not as scary as it sounds, I promise. And Aubrey is a gem.
Not everyone is as easygoing as you, Charles. Yeah, try this one.
Hey guys.
Hey, I'm gonna go get another drink.
I wasn't sure I'd get to chat to you tonight. How have you been?
Good, same old. I guess, yeah.
I haven't seen you at the park in a while.
Work's been really busy.
Yeah, I understand. Well, maybe if you have a free day sometime this week, we could go. I'd love some company.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh. Okay. Maybe I had the wrong impression.
No, sorry, I don't understand. What?
Oh, I just thought you were... Never mind.
I don't know what you...
Charlie, I might call it. See you, Eli.
Bye.
Hey, can I come in? I spoke to Aubrey this morning.
Oh, God.
She's very confused, but not upset.
Thank you, Charles. You didn't have to do that.
Well, you can thank me by going to see her. I'm sure she'd love to spend some time with you.
I'm surprised she wants to see me at all after what happened last time.
You need to figure out what you want, Eli. You can't lead her on.
It doesn't matter what I want. What if I'm just one of those people that will grow old by themselves?
Well, then you will live in my spare room for the rest of your life. Go see her.
Here you are. I was about to leave. How are you? Look, please don't go.
I'm sorry, Aubrey.
Just come with me.
I think you're gonna want to be with me.
Eli, there's nothing wrong with you. I promise.